Hello, good evening. Thank you very much for coming here tonight to celebrate with us. I am out of words to say how grateful I am that all of you came. Fitin and I have 12 years to look back. And it has always been our dream, our desire to finally be together. And it's true. Life has not always been very easy for us. Many challenges and trials along the way. But I'm very thankful to the Lord that He made us through all the way. And I'm very thankful that despite everything, God has given me a very beautiful very thankful that God has given me a very beautiful and wonderful wife. So proud and honored. Thank you to all of our friends and cousins who came from all parts of the world. I'm supposed to thank each and every one, but I'm afraid I might miss on some very important people. So I'll just generalize. First, to our cousins, my first degree cousins. Thank you all for coming here. To my uncles and aunties, you're very important to our lives. And to all of our friends and colleagues who has given their time, thank you very much. Thank you. I might be unfair if I will be mentioning names, so you know, thank you. Thank you very much. This is very, very special.